Those of you that might be looking for an AR wall mount, holds 6 magazines. I have the 3D printable files available on my site. I also have the video how this whole thing was printed and installed here on my wall, along with various other designs that I have. You see, it sits nice and snug, and it's very close to hitting there. I also have these 5 round extensions for your PMags or hex mags. If you guys are interested, as you can see, it holds them very nice and snug in there. If you guys are interested in the files for this, it's very inexpensive. On my website, link will be in the description or in the comments section, or you can also look in my bio if you're interested in this wall mount stand. It's the only one available on the market right now that holds 6 magazines and